Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Polymorphism in Java is tricky, but we will solve this code snippet together to find the correct output in 3 quick steps. First, look at how we declare the variable objob using class A, but then instantiate it as a new B object. This setup is a classic example of dynamic method binding. Next, we call the show method on our object. Even though the reference type is A, the actual object sitting in memory is an instance of the subclass B instead. Java executes the method version in the actual object type. Since class B overrides show, it prints B, making option B our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid rushing for the reference type. Trust the actual object type instead.